Hey folks, James Farrer here, sales executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this absolutely mint condition BMW 5 Series 530e M Sport iPerformance Saloon. This comes in a jet black metallic paint finish with the iconic BMW kidney grille up front with the silver trim, the front parking sensors, the M Sport front bumper, the front LED headlights. Coming around to the side, you have the BMW spoked alloys on run flat tyres, the M Sport badging, the blue brake pads, the black trim surrounding the windows, the privacy glass in the rear, the eDrive badging on the side, the shark fin aerial up top. Come around to the back, you have the BMW 530e badging, the rear parking sensors, the rear LED tail lights. You also have the automatic boot. Just a simple click the key fob and it should pop right open. Now let's take a look at some of the specs on board this 530e. Now that we're inside, folks, you can see the fully digital cockpit with the multifunctional BMW paddle shift M Sport steering wheel, the BMW teleservice fully touchscreen. You have features such as maps, sat-nav navigation, enhanced Bluetooth, connective drive, and many other extras. You have the BMW iDrive system that allows you to control and quickly access the BMW teleservice. The interior comes in a black Dakota leather with a blue M Sport stitch, surrounded by a platinum trim alongside customizable ambient lighting, which you can choose from a range of different colors. Right now it is in blue. You also have air conditioning, heated seats, a sports mode, comfort mode, and an Eco Pro mode. Fully electric windows, automatic headlights, rain sensing wipers, the BMW SOS service system, keyless push button start ignition, the electric e-brake, 360-degree parking sensors, and many other extras. Yeah folks, that was just a quick look around this BMW 5 Series 530e M Sport iPerformance Saloon. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.